Top of the morning. 2006, Jmalcom in the building, man. Put your kids up. What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Today, I ain't do nothing but come to talk. I'm just tell y'all, I'm gonna get straight to business. I ain't do nothing but come to talk. Cause y'all seen, and they gonna be one long clip. I ain't even cutting no clips, none of that. The intro going straight into the video. But y'all seen the video I posted last night, right? And I seen a lot with people. The whole situation messed up. My other little cousin car got stole like last month, 2 months ago. Posted, shared all that. She ain't retrieve her. Classic 70, 78, 79 Camaro, man, immaculate. My little cousin wanted to own a restaurant, and now got my fam Rick. But the thing about the fucking internet, now I'm mad. I'm mad. Yeah, I'm mad. I'm a little pissed off. That's why I said 2006, Jmalcom in the building. Go back and look at the old video. Cause you know what I'm saying, that's what people be wanting. Y'all be wanting to see this. And I get so tired of y'all negative people. They wipe y'all off, man, so y'all can see me. Y'all need to damn see me. But anyway, every time, that's what I hate about the internet. We put stuff out. You use these fucking platforms for the good and for positive. That's what I do, right? I use them for positive and for the good. And every time you got these negative motherfuckers, man. All they want to do is say something negative. We know, I'm not talking to few people, but I am one guy, Mr. I let comments bother me and all of that. I'm sick of that motherfucker, man. Yeah, I'm sick of him. Cause of the fact, you got people like that they try to put stuff on you like shit bother me, right? And it don't. I get paid. When the hell has somebody making thousands of dollars gonna bother them? I'm sorry, y'all, if it come out like our arrogance to y'all. Y'all know that ain't me if you really know that. But 2006, Jmalcom in the building. That's all I'm saying. But then every time something happen, you got these certain people. All they want to do is see the negative and shit, man. I can't stand people like that. I'm going to tell y'all straight up. I can't stand them in real life, and I tell them to their face, I can't stand you in real life. Get out my face, because I don't want to be around that. But then, when some shit go good, they don't want to clap for you. They don't want to say, congratulations. I hope you get your car back. Everybody else, I hope you get your car back. That car probably stripped. That one motherfucker. And a few others. That car probably stripped. This and that. Y'all think we don't fucking know that? I done had a car stole from me before. I done had a car stole. Bounce back 30 days. Quick. 30 days. Did before YouTube. I done had some stuff stole. Y'all think we don't know that? Just share the damn video. Share the video. Share the picture you saw on the platform. Salute to everybody that did that. Because the car ain't stripped. Fucking dummies. You see what I'm saying, man? People, listen. If you don't learn nothing in life, man, Learn to be positive. Learn to be positive, man. Hey, y'all, I don't even want to hear no comment. Jay, man, don't let... Hey, I'm not out of character. I'm never out of character. Let me tell y'all something about me. I'm never out of character. And my real people that been knowing me for years know, didn't me. Everybody got their side, didn't me. I just be respectful. But if you catch me in real life and somebody be on some bullshit, I'm going to be in this mode right here. This ain't me. Oh, Jay, you cussing, you mad. I cuss all the time, y'all. I cuss all the time, 24/7. I cuss all the time. If you ran me kicking shit, you know that. I just respectful. I'm a respectful young man, so I don't get on the platforms and on the internet with all that. Because I like to make family-friendly content. That's why I gave y'all the intro before the intro said put your kids up. This ain't the video to sit there in the living room and watch with your family. This ain't it. This is not it. Because sometimes you got to talk like this, and you got to bring out this mode for a motherfucker to hear you. Just cause y'all ain't heard me cussing all that don't mean I don't do it. I do it 24/7. Real life, 24/7. Around my kids, yes. Yes, sir. My kid, the more respectful kid, you shouldn't do that from you. You raise your kid how you want to raise your kid. Like people say, hey, you shouldn't have guns around your kid. You better have them around yours. That's how kids get shot. That's why kids cuss when they don't hear it and you don't teach them wrong. Otherwise, that's a bad word and stuff. So I come on the internet as a respectful gentleman, what I do. But when it's time for somebody to hear me, you gonna hear me. Cause when you come at people like this, they listen, right? When you sitting in line or you done tried to talk cordial to somebody, excuse me, could you please help me? And they ignore your ass. They hear you, but they ignore you. Then you say, hey, motherfucker. What they do, they turn around and they get mad. Who you talking to? I had to say that for you to hear me. You know what I'm saying? That's how it is in real life. That's why I tell wife all the time, I say, sometimes you got to have drama. Cause these folk don't get it. They think it's a game. And I got a problem with y'all fucking dummies. Every time you come on, you talking about some comment bother me, man. Shut the hell up, man. That's how I feel about y'all for real. Shut the hell up. Cause you don't know what you talking about. Get the hell off the internet. Cause you the one got the problem. Then you coming with all the negative stuff. I ain't got no problem with somebody criticizing anything, any situation. But when every time don't nobody see your name until it's something negative in the air, or you got some shit to say, you think you know what you talking about, you don't know what the fuck you talking about, then that's a problem. Cause you don't know what the hell you talking about. And like I said, salute to everybody. I got the tips, got the leads. The internet work fast. I love the internet when you use it for what you're supposed to use it for. The internet work fast, man. Y'all just stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned. At the time y'all looking at this, ain't no telling what done happen. Y'all just stay tuned. I'm just telling you, man, stop being negative, man. Stop being negative. I don't want to hear none of that. Anybody, I'm reading all comments today. All comment in real time. Ain't got nothing to do. It raining. It raining. I ain't got nothing to do but chill. I'm reading all comments today. And anybody, I don't want to hear none of that. Man, you let them get, I ain't out of character. Y'all just don't know me. That's all that is. Y'all just don't know me. I ain't out of character. I'm far from out of character. Trust me. Y'all just don't know me. As my little brother said. Next time my little brother over here, ask him. Or I get wife out here. Out of character. Now, if don't nobody know me, my wife do. My wife do. So I don't want to hear none of that. It's just that I put this up. And folk, man, they probably strip. We don't give a damn if it's strip. Share the video. Share the video. That's what you do. Tell the man, I hope you get your car back, man. Keep your head up. Stay faithful. That was wrong with some of y'all. Y'all ain't got faith in nothing. You don't believe in nothing. You don't believe in God. You don't believe in a higher spirit, a higher power. You don't believe in nothing. You don't believe in your damn self. Don't want to say it. You don't believe in yourself. That's why you're miserable and you feel the way you is. And then you come on the internet and try to tell somebody else, oh, they miserable. Try to tell other content creators, oh, we miserable. Or this and that. That's why you always talking. Man, shut the fuck up, man. Y'all don't know what the hell y'all talking about. Get some money. Come here right quick. Get some money. That's how they want you to talk to them. Then they say you ain't humble. I'm not humble towards y'all. Y'all kiss my ass. Get some money. That's what it is. Tell these people. Before 2006, Jmalcom here. Now tell these people. Now, cause before they say, hey, I'm out of care. Do I cuss 24/7? Tell the truth. 24/7. I cuss around kids and all. Do our kids cuss?
No, they don't, y'all. They don't. No, they don't.
I cuss around wife. Wife don't cuss. This is me. Tell them.
Yeah, it is.
I'm just respectful on the internet.
Yeah, you're real respectful.
I'm just respectful on the internet so y'all can make a comment. But when the camera go off and we talking and we get in a real life conversation, oh, it go down. Just like last night. We got some info, man. Within an hour and a half, man. We got some great info within an hour and a half. This shit worked fast, man. That's why I said I salute to y'all that been helping and trying to shoot info, sharing. Had your eye looked out, peeled and stuff. I salute y'all, man. Y'all see Cuzzo posted the video. Everybody got on it, man. Everybody got on it. Salute to all the people being positive. We got info within an hour. Within an hour. And it's in motion right now. So, but man, I'm using my platform, man. Somebody hit my fam Rick and Tasha and wife. Some he might need to take this down. Some info pertaining to what we got. And I'm like, man, take it down. And I'm like, man, if they can tell y'all that, like we were saying, we were shaking our head. If they can tell y'all that, then somebody knows something. And that's what I got a problem with. People so gangster, right? People be so gangster. They so gangster. They so tough. I ain't scared. You call a man or woman scared, boy, well, especially a man got an ego, I ain't scared. But then they don't want to tell you nothing. You scared of something? You scared of something? These folks ain't that gangster and they ain't that real like they be saying. You scared of something? Oh, you don't snitch. What, you trapping? That's a code for if you trapping. I used to trap. I used to sell drugs. You do that, you don't snitch when you in the streets, man, when you in the game doing dirt. If you a law-abiding citizen, man, it ain't no snitching. That don't apply to you. You don't break no laws, that don't apply to you, man. If you can help somebody, you say something. Folk be walking around, they ain't snitching. Like they in the street making 5 to 10 a week. Man, sit down somewhere, man. When you got some information, can help somebody. Because if that was you or your family member, you'll want their information. If your shit got stole, you'll want their information. Somebody knows something but don't want to tell you. If everybody knew something don't want to tell you, you'll want their information. Tell me you won. You'll say, forget your car. That's your pride and joy. You done spent 50, 60 racks in. You wouldn't want the information? Yeah, cap. If you say you do, that cap. Or if one of your family members got killed or something, you want somebody to tell you. You gonna be what you gonna say? Don't snitch. Or if they in that life, they still your family member. Or they was in that life, man. If they close enough to you, you gonna want their info. You gonna want justice for your family. You gonna want peace. Or some of y'all gonna want revenge. So I don't want to hear that. None of that. This don't snitch don't apply when you a law-abiding citizen. If you ain't breaking the law, this and that, get that out your head. That don't snitch stuff. If you trapping, you in the streets, nah, you don't snitch. You don't bring another man down because you doing dirt too. That's the code. That's how I go. I done trapped. I done did a lot of stuff y'all don't know about. I done been in a lot of situations. But what I'm saying, that don't apply, man. Like, I'm a law-abiding citizen. I don't do nothing. I don't do nothing illegal. I don't do nothing illegal. I help people from young to old, black, white. I do random acts of kindness. I don't put on camera all the time. So that don't apply, man. When you got some information can help somebody, don't be coming with this second-hand, third-person talk and all that other stuff. If you know something, help. But it's all good because it's in motion right now. It's all good, man. I'm going to keep y'all updated. I'm out.